I visited Cambodia with the expectation of seeing some ancient history of our country and our culture, basically Hindu culture. And when I got to Cambodia, I realized that the vast part of temples and the culture in the Cambodia here, it's deeply connected to Indian culture, and this is worth to see. The carvings are really good. The structures, the sculptures, the messages they send from the stones. And the one thing I realized at the downline is actually stone can speak with you with their ancient history, and this is basically from 600th century to recent up to 1600th century. So that is a huge period of time, and over the period of time, if you want to travel a little bit in the past, you can be in a Cambodia. Everyone wants to have a past travel or the future travel in a travel machine, but I would like to say that if you visit the Cambodia, it's basically a travel machine. If you are really able to analyze the temples and the arts, and if you're able to feel the carvings and analyze the messages in that, and able to connect with the Indian culture, you will be able to travel in the past, like really to up to the 600 BCs. Second thing about the Cambodia is not about the temples, but the scenery around the Cambodia. Example, there are seas, there are villages which are situated in the water, like in the rivers, and the cultural food, the traditional food, the traditional dances. All these things is a great package which offers you at the one place. And first, another thing with this Fusion travel, I experienced that. If there is someone who has a knowledge and experience to share the thoughts about the temples and the cultural villages and about the tradition, it's always good to know. So that was a really great experience in my life, and I have visited a lot of places, but Cambodia will remain always an eternal part of my journey. Thank you.